Well, the gardening months are over, and with winter fast approaching, you may just want to indulge your hankering for green and growing things by shifting your attention to houseplants. Even someone with zero houseplant experience can pick up the basic essentials with some of the many titles on this subject in our collection. One that I found to be incredibly helpful is called Grow in the Dark: How to Choose and Care for Low Light Houseplants by Lisa Eldred Steinkopf. Not only does this book showcase a wide variety of plants that will grow in less than bright conditions, but it also informs you which of these plants are non-toxic to pets. Very important information in households where a dog or cat might be inclined to take a nibble. To place a hold on this or any other items, please visit our website at lialibrary.org. Click the My Account link at the top of the page, then enter your library card number with no spaces, and finally your password, which should just be the last 4 digits of your phone number. Search for the titles in which you are interested and click Place Hold. Circulation will notify you when they are ready. Then you can either come into the library to get your items or schedule a curbside pickup appointment. You can do this by clicking the Calendar of Events link under the Programs tab on our homepage, or by giving us a call at 630-971-1675. We hope to hear from you soon.